Hey guys, it's Bethany. Welcome to Form. Today we're going through our punches series and this is jab cross. I'm going to take you through those punches to get started and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, let's talk about the jab. So the first thing is that we want to make sure we're stabbing the bag and not pushing it. That'll look like this on the bag. So we're landing that jab with a nice quick stab. The second thing is that we want to keep that left foot nice and grounded, meaning I'm not rotating that foot as I go in for the kick. That foot's nice and still the whole time. We also want to make sure that we're hitting with our big knuckles. So as we go in for that punch, all four knuckles here are grounded on that bag, and we want to make sure we're not leading with the pinky on that punch. Last point here, guys, is that I want to keep my wrist nice and straight as I punch. If you watch as I'm punching, I'm rotating my wrist, so I've got my palms up on my face and my shoulder's going to rotate, my wrist is going to face down, but my wrist is never going to bend up or down. Always nice and straight. Alright guys, let's talk about that cross punch. I know the cross is a favorite of many of our members because it's all about power. With that cross, we all know that it gets its power from that pivot. Looks like this. You'll notice that I'm leading with my shoulder on that punch. My shoulder rotates right in front of the jaw. And then I'm not only turning on the ball of my foot, but I'm also turning my hip and my shoulder every time I go for that punch. So where the jab was about speed, the cross is going to be all about that power. One more time, looks like this. So as you can see, when I go to jab cross, my palms are coming right back to my face, facing each other. And as I punch, I'm always bringing one hand right back to the face to protect the face in that fight guard. And for jab cross, as I'm punching, you can see that I'm really twisting in the core here. That core is engaged the entire time, every single time I throw the punch. So we want to remember that when we're throwing that jab cross, we're bringing those hands right back to the face after every single punch. That's what we call protecting the face in that fight guard. Our palms are facing each other every time we come back. But it's also important to remember that we are striking that bag. We want to make sure that the end goal is to make that bag move. There you have it, jab cross. We'll see you in class.